Barnard here with Treviso Homes and Treviso Realty. Behind us is our home. As of September 10th, this is the way the house kind of looked. So this is literally 60 days from the day we broke ground. Current state right now is the stucco exterior has been completed and the interior was just painted on a couple days ago. Today's Wednesday, on Monday. And as of tomorrow, we're gonna start laying the tile. So let's have a quick look. If you see what we did with the stucco, we did a water table to kind of give this a definition in the front of the property. We didn't do, like, if you see some of these traditional properties, even look, the one adjacent to us, it just did stucco all the way down. We give it a little bit of a water table here, kind of give it some definition, a smooth finish, and then like a textured top on top to kind of give it more depth. Then what we're gonna do here, if you see around the windows, they're called bands. So it almost looks like they're trimmed. Every window is trimmed. So these trimmed windows, the bands around the windows are gonna be painted black to match like the front door and the garages, kind of give that like a really cool look to it. This will be a different color than the textured top also. Now let's have a look. So we just actually had the laundry door installed. So now we have a full locked premises now, which is great. So this is it. So start to get an idea of how we look. So this has been painted. And if you see, we did a light skip drywall. This is what Pulte does at our houses too. In Florida, especially in Southwest, you don't have smooth finishes. This was like probably gonna be a 30–40% more budget if we did smooth finish. Everyone out here are used to textured finishes. So what we did, instead of having like a fully textured like the stucco outside, we did a light skip. So if you kind of see up close, you can see like it is textured, but from a distance, it almost looks like a smooth finish. And this is what I wanted, similar to our house in Verdana Village. Yeah, let's have a quick look. Pool, we're almost close to the permitting stage. I just spoke to the county this morning, very close. Everything's under review. We should have that, hopefully breaking ground next week, and that should be, as promised by our contractor, 30 to 45 days. So it'll be a sight to see. It'll be fun to kind of see that hole go in the ground, the pool getting built, cage up. Yeah, not much to see here. This is some repair we had to make. The drywall guys forgot about one of the supply valves, which is, I don't know what this is here, but they forgot it on the wall. They kind of covered over, so we had to cut it. Yeah, what else can we see here? Now you start to get an idea of the ceiling height, because everything's now painted. You can see like it's a 10-foot ceiling house. This is a very nice product. I'm very, very proud of this house, to be honest. Again, this is Mike Gaddy designed it, and he's actually doing all the material choices. He knows all this stuff, which is great. Yeah, pool bath. We were gonna do the blinds inside, but the budget was just so crazy. Again, these are all impact glass. If you see, this is a hollow, and the outside, as you hear that density, that's the impact glass on the outside. Let's see, we'll go through the second and third bedroom. Not much is seen here. This is just the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. And this is the, let's say, secondary ensuite, walk-in closet. And then they get their private bathroom. So this is gonna be a tub. We just ordered all the glass enclosures, or actually not, we're just flirting with a few companies now. So this will be all got glass enclosures, and the other 2 baths, the pool baths and the master bedroom. Let's have a quick look at the back. Yeah, that's pretty much it, realistically. Like, so with the pool will probably be down about, it'd probably end around here, I would imagine. It's about 22 feet off of the wall. And it'll be the full width of the property. So it'll be 58 feet in width. So it'll be a really nice area. I'll have the pool tucked up and then have like a nice patio and chill area. Just this area, we don't know what to do. It looks like somebody actually anchored into our dock. I'm sure they're using it, but we're gonna do something there, maybe some rope going across, make it look nautical, and that's pretty much it. So we'll get you on the next update. Next update, kitchen shall be in, tiles will be in, the exterior of the property will be painted, and that'll be the next intro. So that'll probably be in about a week and a half, so very quick. We'll see you soon.